Do AI books really need ads to sell on Amazon? Or can you succeed with free organic marketing? This is one of the biggest questions I get from new publishers. Today, I'm going to give you the complete answer. We'll look at organic versus paid marketing side by side, walk through when each one works best, and I'll even give you a simple hybrid plan that you can use on your very first book launch. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive in. All right, part one, why visibility is everything. Books don't sell just because they exist. They sell because they're visible. On Amazon, visibility comes from rankings, categories, and reviews. Organic methods try to earn that visibility with free traffic. Paid ads try to buy it and accelerate the process. And both can work. The key is knowing which one matches your book, your niche, and your budget. Which brings me to part two, organic marketing. Let's start with organic. Organic simply means sales and reviews that come without paying for ads. The foundation for organic success is your book page. If your title, cover, and description aren't attractive, then no amount of ads can save you. And if they're strong, you can often sell without spending a dime. For example, number one, keywords. If you write a book on meal prep, you don't just use meal prep as your keyword. You use variations like easy meal prep for beginners or 30-minute budget meals. That's how you show up where buyers are searching. Number two, launch strategy. Instead of just hitting publish, you line up 10 to 15 friends, ARC readers, or email subscribers to go download your book, read it, and leave honest reviews within that first week. This signals to Amazon that your book is worth ranking. And finally, three, promotions. Use Kindle Select free days or a countdown deal to spike downloads. Those free or discounted sales feed Amazon's algorithm. Organic works especially well if your book is in a niche that isn't too competitive and you're able to generate a handful of early reviews. Now part three, paid ads. Now let's talk about paid ads. Amazon ads are powerful, but they're not magic. What they really do is buy you visibility and data. They put your book in front of people quickly and tell you if your page converts. For example, you can start with auto campaigns at $5 a day to see which keywords Amazon matches your book to. Then you take the winners and move them into manual campaigns where you control the exact keywords. Product targeting lets you place your book directly on competitors' pages. So if someone's looking at a similar title, they'll see yours as an option. The key numbers you watch are: number one, click-through rate, above 0.3% is healthy. Number two, conversion rate, aim for 8 to 15%. And number three, cost per click, usually 25 to 70 cents depending on the niche. If your book page is strong, Amazon ads can get you sales much faster than organic. If your book page is weak, then ads will just waste your money. Now part four, organic versus paid. Which one should you use? So which one is better? The truth is neither is better. They're just tools. Go organic if your niche is specific, competition is low, and you have at least 10 people ready to leave reviews in that first week. You can often start ranking without spending $1. Go paid if you're in a competitive category or you want speed. If you're launching a book in personal finance or health, then ads may be the only way to break onto page one. But in most cases, the best approach is hybrid. And now finally, that brings me to part five, the hybrid launch plan. Here's a simple hybrid plan that works for almost any AI book. Week one, launch your book, line up your early reviewers, and run a Kindle Select promo. At the same time, turn on a $5 a day auto campaign. That way you can start collecting keyword data. Week two, take the winning keywords from auto and launch a manual campaign. At the same time, keep building reviews. Now week three and onward, trim the ads to just the keywords that are profitable, while your organic rank and reviews start to carry the weight. This plan combines the trust and staying power of organic with the strength and speed of paid ads. You're not spending hundreds of dollars, but you're also not waiting months for sales to trickle in. So, do AI books really need ads to sell? Not always. If your book is in the right niche and you can rally early reviews, then organic alone can work. If you're in a competitive space or you want results fast, then paid ads are your best friend. But the smartest path is usually both. Organic plus a small ad budget to build momentum. If you want my complete step-by-step system with prompts, editing workflows, and even my ad templates, it's all inside my course. You'll find the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe because I'll be breaking down exactly what works for AI publishers in 2026. If you got value, smash that like button and I will see you in the next video.